updates ng Armain. Ayan, si Father Jeff ay bumisita sa tahanan nila Main at Arjo. Sabi ni Father Jeff sa kanyang post, "Happy New Year, Mr. and Mrs. Atayde. Thanks for inviting me to your beautiful home. And Dapana Kota was to die for, you know." Ayan yung nagkasal sa kanila, si Father Jeff, noong July 28. Siyempre, yung pinagandaan nila Main sa Arjo, si Father Jeff, eh, no? May kulit pa ng mga picture nila, eh. Welcome na welcome si Father Jeff sa tahanan nila Main at Arjo. Kasi yung post ng bench para kay Main, yan naka-display na yan sa mga branch ng bench. Ayan.
Happy holidays, Bench Fam! Here's
Mga
a
picture ni May.
wonderful festive season filled with smiles and good times.
You know?
Happy holidays, Bench Fam! Here's a wonderful festive season filled with smiles and
Ang ganda
good
namin, eh. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para lang update. Ito na po ang for reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.